Hey guys, I just ran back from my mailbox because I got the Rothy sandals. I'm so excited. I feel like I've been waiting for this day to come for like a year. So let's get them open. I know so many Rothy's fans have been waiting for sandals to come out for so long. They were supposed to launch a sandals collection last summer, but they had some issues with manufacturing and ended up just Xing the whole collection and not doing it. So super excited that they finally were able to get sandals out this year. It's the first time Rothy's has ever done sandals. So I'm just really excited about it because I live in Southern California and I need sandals. So I ordered the knot in black. I am a little bit anxious to see what they look like because in the pictures online, they do look a little bit bulky. So I am kind of curious, you know, how they managed to design it with the Rothy's fabric. So I'm pretty sure they used the signature fabric on this. I usually tell you about the shipping speed. I usually get my Rothy's within 2 days of ordering. But this time I was invited to place my order on Monday. They launched the collection on Thursday and today's Friday. So technically didn't get them in 2 days this time, but I got them, you know, the day after the launch. So yeah, I ordered, sorry, I'm still out of breath from running to the mailbox. I ordered my standard size, which is 7.5. I didn't see any direction on their website as to, you know, do you order true to size? Do they run true to size? Do you order, you know, half size up, down? I didn't see any of that. And of course there were no reviews because it's a brand new collection. So I just decided to go with my true size and hopefully they'll fit. Okay, let's open them. I do hope you're all doing well through the COVID-19 pandemic that we're all going through. I hope you're staying safe, your family's safe, and you're all doing well at home. If you hear any background noise, it's my family and my kids are all doing their distance learning right now. So there was packaging tape over the entire tab. I decided to cut into it so that I wouldn't have to do that on camera. So, oh! I don't even have to pull the tab. Okay. That's sustainable. Boys. There we are. Sorry, Mommy. There it is. Oh, it's cute, you guys. And it's not bulky. I'm excited. Okay. See. So excited, so excited. Oh, these are cute. I hope they fit. I'm gonna have the little signature blue right there. It does have the peel away protection on the bottom. These aren't bulky at all. I don't know why they appear that way. I'm excited. I'm excited to get more colors now. I hope these fit though. Let's try them on. Okay, you guys, here they are. The Rothy's knots in black. They're soft, they're comfortable. I like these a lot. They're super cute. What do you guys think? Okay, you guys, sorry, you can hear my kids. Just to wrap this up, I'm really pleased with them. I think they're really cute. I'm excited to get more colors. I definitely like the style and the look of the knot, and the sole just feels really luxurious. The fabric feels really soft. They're really comfortable, and they did fit true to size. So I am excited. They, I think I forgot to mention price. They were $115. All 6 of the sandals that they came out with are $115. I will leave a promo code for $20 off your first order in the description box below. In fact, I'll leave all the promo codes that I have in the description box below, so have at it. When you get $20 off your order, I also get $20 off my next order, so I totally appreciate when you use my code, and it gives me the opportunity to get more Rothys and to review more shoes for you. So definitely appreciate that. Yeah, I'm excited about these. I really like them. I know that I will be wearing them all spring and summer long, and I'm excited about trying out the other colors. So stay safe, you guys. Take care.